Rita rĩa mbere uhoro wĩgiĩ mũgomo wa arigitani ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgĩthiĩ na mbere kwa ihinda rĩa ciumia ithatũ rĩu. Akĩaria arĩ kanitha-inĩ wa AIC Eldoret ũgĩte thirikari ndĩrĩ na ũhoti wa kũmongerera mĩcaara amwe ĩkoretwo ĩkĩhũthĩra ciringi trilioni 1.1 kũrĩha mĩcaara ya aruti wĩra a thirikari. Rĩrĩ thirikari ĩrongania trilioni 2.2 kũhĩtũkĩra magoti. Augĩte mahũthĩro ma ũrĩhi wa mĩcaara marogamire gĩcunjĩ kĩa 47 harĩ igana na gũkoragwo kwendekithĩtio thirikari ĩkahũthĩra gĩcunjĩ kĩa 35 harĩ igana kĩa mbeca iria ciũnganĩtio irĩ ta magoti kũrĩha mĩcaara.
I know we have a situation in Kenya with our doctors and interns. I want to implore on them that it is important for us as a nation to agree that we must live within our means. We must live within our means, fellow countrymen and women. We cannot continue to spend the money we don't have. And I am telling our friends, the doctors, that we mind about them, we value the service they give to our nation, but we must live within our means. The resources we have are only sufficient to pay 70,000 shillings for intern doctors. It is not a salary, it is a stipend for only 1 year, and then they will be employed. And we want all our doctors, all our doctor interns to be taken in, and that is why we are going to spend the resources that we have to make sure all the 1,500 plus or minus doctors, all of them are absorbed at once, and we have the resources to make sure that they are absorbed at what we have offered as government, because as a nation we must live within our means. And we are going to have a bigger conversation.